Hey, welcome to Science Day. Now we're gonna talk about Charles law. So what is Charles law? Charles law is a volume that is directly proportional to temperature while having a constant pressure and number of molecules of a gas. Now, Clint will provide materials for this experiment.
Siyempre, ano bang mga kailangan natin? Kailangan natin ng dalawang lobo, isang malapig na tubig, isang mainit na tubig, at isang mangganita.
Bawian lang natin, tapos masyado tayong stiff ang galaw eh. Kalmahan lang natin, baby kalma. Kalma, baby kalma.
So let's start by putting the balloon inside the freezer. Next is we'll be putting hot water in a basin. Let's put the balloon in the basin with hot water and let's observe. So as we can see, the balloon is starting to expand. It is because the temperature is rising inside the balloon. Ngayon naman papasok yung Charles law. When the balloon is sitting in the hot water, it is starting to expand. It is because the temperature is getting higher and the molecules inside the balloon expands or spread, which is why nag-expand din yung balloon. Kunin naman natin yung nilagay natin sa freezer and let's see kung anong nagbago o nangyari.
Wow!
The balloon seemed to shrink. Why? It is because the molecules inside the balloon started to compress, which is the reason why the balloon shrank. Therefore, this shows the relationship between temperature and volume. When the temperature is high or increased, the volume is also increased. Kaya makikita natin dito pag kinumpare natin yung dalawang balloons sa experiment, yung nilagay sa high temperature is lumaki yung balloon and yun naman dun sa nilagay sa low temperature is lumiit yung balloon.
Thank you for watching.